Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Strikers Club game on PC for free via the Steam launcher. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So first of all, open Steam, go to the store, and in search the store search for Strikers Club and then click on Strikers Club game. Scroll down and here it will say play Strikers Club free to play. So click on play game button. And here you will see Strikers Club and the file size is 1.01 GB. Click on install, then go to library, and here you can see that Strikers Club game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following the same steps you can also download or install Strikers Club game on PC via the Steam launcher for free. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.